Do you keep an eye on your weight but want to know more about your body? The Boira BF100 Body Complete Diagnostic Scales are just what you're looking for. The Boira Diagnostic Pro has been developed especially for a comprehensive body data reading with separate upper and lower body measurements. Thanks to its 8 electrodes, the BF100 can detect your weight, your body fat, your water ratio, your muscle ratio, your bone mass, and even your calorie requirements. The detachable display is easy to read and communicates with the electrodes via radio transmission. The detachable extra-large display can be mounted on a wall so you can view your data with ease. Your long-term data progression can be viewed at a glance thanks to the trend indicator, which presents an overview of all relevant information. The PC interface and USB cable allow you to connect the diagnostic scales to your computer. Stay fit and healthy with the Boira Body Complete Diagnostic Scales.